Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling flash notifications on your Android smartphone or Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is slide up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. And then you want to go underneath settings and select notifications. And now you want to scroll down underneath general, select flash notifications. So if you want to enable flash notifications, just toggle inside this oval one time, and then it should be on. So the screen flash is enabled at this point, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.